Okay, hi, I'm Chef Debbie, bringing love into your homes once again with nutritious, delicious, and wonderful, wholesome things. We are going to be featuring Brunswick sardine today with a twist. And what we're going to do is we're going to do an open face, or a theme of an open face sandwich. So we have some French bread, we have some wonderful local tomatoes, we're going to have some smashed avocados, and you would have a little bit of a local green sauce that is made with a little bit of shadow bene, fresh dill, and arugula. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is just rub down a little bit of the bread with some garlic cloves, because we want to get some of that garlic oil to be infused on it. And our pan, which is a grill, is already heated. So all I'm going to do after that is just drizzle a little bit of oil and allow the rest to take care of itself. So we're going to get a little bit of a grill mark on it, and what it's also going to do is give us a little bit of flavor. Just for a couple minutes so that we get a nice, you don't want it too burnt, but you just want a little bit of a mark happening. And we're almost there. I'm going to turn it over. And now we're going to move on to what the base is going to be, which is a little bit of smashed avocado. And a great way to get the insides is just to take your knife and what we call scoring, so that it's easy to come out. You're going to put a little bit of salt, a little bit of chopped parsley, and some freshly squeezed lemon juice in it. And just a little bit of a light smash. The next thing we're going to do is take some of our local tomatoes, thin slices, to put on the bread. And what's great about this is outside of having to toast or grill your bread, it's really like no cooking. So the day that you really don't want to be too long in the kitchen with all that heat, you're just basically putting a couple of ingredients together, and you're going to be surprised at the pop of flavor and color that comes with it. So again, it's quick, it's easy, it's wholesome, it's nutritious, it's delicious.